judge, for example, the schools according to what they say rather than what they do.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna review the Vagabond Nerf gun.
We're turning out kids who are able to meet the highest
so it's
standards,
gonna be a test too.
tests and whatnot.
So
And they
this
do
is
so
a
in the
gun
very same
completely. So
where other students
it has
are
1,
unable to get
2,
even close to that
3,
because the charter schools, the ones that are successful,
5,
have a totally different
6 bullets.
outcome. Using the same students from the very same neighborhoods in the very same building.
Aiming sight,
And yet,
and then
I'm appalled to find out that this administration, the Obama administration,
tactical
has
railings.
lined up with the teachers
And the
unions
tactical
to try to,
railings
stop the
are
expansion of charter schools
for
when they're one of the most encouraging things that's
scopes or
happening in
whatever,
education
and
for low-income people in my
how it
lifetime.
works is you first
Really
realize
importance of education and
and
the
then
successes
just
that you have been able to achieve in your
shoot it.
lifetime really
And
are
then
truly
it'll
remarkable.
automatically do that
And what
and just
message do
load
you
it
want to
back.
say to the young people out there that have
So
dreams and
it's also
aspirations?
3D-ish, so
My husband's like,
if you guys
try to get
are
into one of the
moving it.
schools that actually
So,
teach
yeah.
rather than the usual kinds of public schools.
that's really
They're
all.
just
Have a
wild
nice day,
ways
bye
on,
guys.
and concerned only with maintaining the jobs that these